Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 smells funny and loses suction, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur when dust and debris build up in the filters or when the roller bar gets clogged. If left unattended, this can lead to further damage and a less efficient vacuum cleaner, ultimately affecting its performance. To fix this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and replacement filters if necessary. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is unplugged and turned off for safety. Start by removing the dustbin from the main unit by pressing the release button. Next, locate the two screws that secure the cover over the filters. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off. Be cautious here, as there may be dust and debris that could fall out. Now you can see the filters. Inspect them for any signs of damage or excessive dirt. If they are dirty, gently remove them and clean them using your soft brush. If they are damaged or excessively soiled, it's best to replace them with new ones. When replacing the filters, ensure they fit snugly back into their slots. Once you've addressed the filters, it's time to check the roller bar. Flip the Dyson V11 over and locate the roller bar. You may need to remove a few more screws to access it. As you do this, remember the orientation of the screws and components for reassembly. Carefully lift out the roller bar and inspect it for hair and debris that may have gotten tangled. Clean it thoroughly before placing it back into its slot. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened. Finally, reattach the dustbin and give your Dyson V11 a test run. Check if the smell has gone and if the suction power has returned to normal. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make it a habit to clean the filters and roller bar regularly. Additionally, empty the dustbin frequently to avoid clogs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.